Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Dr. Smrithi and in today's video I'm going to take you through how I prepare medicines which is used to treat conditions like dry eye syndrome associated with itching sensation and eye discharge. Now I've already made a detailed video on what is dry eyes, what are the symptoms, causes and how Ayurveda resorts to treating such conditions with different eye related therapies. And the best part of these therapies is it helps rejuvenate the eye. So you needn't have to take eye therapies only if you have an eye ailment. Even a healthy individual can take eye therapies just to strengthen their sense organs. So if you want to know more about the basics of dry eye syndrome, then I'm going to throw the link up on the screen. You guys can check it out. And in today's video, I'm going to take you through how I prepare medicated Collyrium, which is useful in treating dry irritated eyes. It seems easy, but trust me, it takes a lot of time and energy to prepare it correctly and precisely. It's pretty interesting, so do stay tuned, and if this video interests you, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon right next to it so that you get updated with all the latest Ayurvedic remedies and lifestyle content here on my YouTube channel. And with that, let's get into this. Ayurveda is one of the oldest system of medicine and its main aim is to prevent diseases as well as promote health. And Ayurveda also keenly describes about dinacharya, which is nothing but daily regimens. Now under this Anjana Karma, that is application of Collyrium, is one of the major regimens which has been pinpointed on the board, which involves application of medicine or drug over the waterline of the eye. Now this is a traditional therapy and it has a unique efficacy in treating various kinds of ophthalmic disorders. Ayurveda states Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam, that is eyes is one of the most important among all sense organs. So everyone should be dedicated to protect their vision throughout their period of life. As I have already mentioned, application of medicated Collyrium plays a very important role in treating various sorts of eye disorders. To prepare this medicine, I have first prepared this medicated ghee. I have not used this pure ghee which you are seeing. It's medicated and that also takes a lot of time to prepare. And once this is prepared, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a wick. So to prepare the wick, I have taken a cotton pad and to that I'm going to add some medicinal powders. So these powders include a lot of various drugs which are useful in treating the eyes or rejuvenating the eyes. So the powder is nicely smeared over the cotton, and once it is smeared properly, then I am going to roll it and make it into the form of a wick. So once it's rolled completely, then it has to be tied. So in order to tie it firmly, I've just used a normal thread and it is tied and kept. So as you can see, it has firmly been tied, otherwise it will come out and then we'll not be able to prepare the medicine. So this is the medicated ghee which I had kept separately. Now I'm going to take the wick and I'm going to put it in this ghee. So once it is put in the ghee, I'm going to smear it properly so that we can easily light it. I do not want to waste this medicated ghee because it takes a lot of effort to prepare it, so I'm really very careful. And now I'm going to light this up. The reason why I wanted to show you guys of how I prepare this medicine is because I was preparing this for one of my patients and I thought why not I show this or broadcast it to everyone out there who really needs this medicine, because it really does help. You guys can try it out. For whoever is suffering with any sort of eye disorder, this medicine proves to be very beneficial. So as you can see, I have taken a copper plate. Now it has been mentioned in Ayurveda, in order to prepare a medicated Collyrium, copper is really very good and it can be used to prepare this. So I've just taken a copper plate and I have put it above the wick. Now copper is not just used in treating different sorts of eye disorders, but we also use it in different Ayurvedic herbal formulations where copper is considered as one of the major main ingredient. Now we do not use copper just like that. We convert it into the form of a nanoparticle so that it can be easily administered into the human body, so that the human body can easily metabolize this form of copper. Now copper, even when we are using it to prepare medicated collyrium, it is said that whatever properties of copper is there, it is imbibed into the medicine, and when this medicine is administered into the eyes, it has a lot of benefits. So this process or procedure of preparing medicated collyrium takes around 12 hours to prepare the final product. And once we have collected the complete suit, right, what we do is we carefully take the copper plate aside, and as you can see, our medicated collyrium is ready. And once it is ready, we allow it to cool, and once it's cooled, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape the suit out. Now I'm going to scrape the suit very slowly and carefully because I do not want to waste the final product. It seems to be like we have got a large quantity of the medicine, but trust me, we just get around 10 grams maximum out of 12 hours of hard work. Isn't this so beautiful? I mean, it takes a lot of hard work, but you know, you ultimately use only just a pinch of the medicine. So yeah, it's worth it because it has a lot of benefits. So I've treated a lot of patients who are having dry eye syndrome, and this medicine, when it is applied over the waterline of the eye, there is controlled sustained release of the drug. So, and that is how it helps lubricate the eye. So once I just scrape this completely, I'm just going to fill it in an airtight container and I'm going to keep it aside. After filling it into a container, coming to the use, what we do is I use the medicated ghee, and I ask the patient to take the suit, mix it with the medicated ghee and apply it over the waterline of the eye once a day. Anjana or application of collyrium basically increases the bioavailability of the drug when applied over the waterline of the eye. There is a need for controlled sustained release for conditions that affect the anterior and posterior segment of the eye. The main aim of pharmacotherapeutics is the attainment of effective concentration at the site of action for a prolonged period of time, which is proved by the effect of medicated collyrium. Trust me, you will get the result you need, and it's also pretty simple to use and beneficial to treat all sorts of eye disorders. With that, we have come to an end with this video. If you guys liked my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.